Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the freeze frame sequence effect. Watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Pause the video, do that, and continue. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag the footage to the timeline. Mine is too long, so I will speed it up a little bit. I will crop it when the man disappears from the frame. Now find a good positioning and make a snapshot of it. Don't forget to put it in the right frame when you made the snapshot. Also, don't forget to hide the snapshot so we can find another frame. Find another good positioning and make another snapshot. Make sure to do the same for the other snapshots. Adjust the duration of the snapshots to the clip. Now click on the snapshots, go to compositing, and change the blending mode to darken. Click on the eye so we can see what we made. Make a render preview to be more smooth. And this is what we have made for now. Now let's add another effect on this. Export the video first. Delete the clip with the snapshots and drag the exported video to the timeline. After that, click on it. Go to Speed and Duration, and select Reverse Speed. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.